Yes, people, my name is Don Whiten and welcome to Drum and Bass on the Bike, Milton Keynes 2026. Please make some noise! BM, where's the horn? Where's the horn? Where's the horn?
He's just a man, an ordinary, but he was no monster.
If you are tuning in right about now, you're locked into the sounds of Drum and Bass on a Bike, Milton Keynes 2026. Please make some noise!
The world's gone psycho, locked in the sights of a rifle. People getting suicidal or tribal. You acting badder than Michael. No life, just survival. Avoiding a knife in a vial. Show heart, hold bars like iron mic grip. So calm like firelight spliff. You can dial like this, try and write this. Stranded with my thoughts on.
Yes, again! Music.
Pick a number. You name it, Frank. We'll get you satisfaction. You want a body count? Pick a number.
Blondes worker, we're bringing in some business today. Don't worry about anything.
You name it, Frank. You want satisfaction? We'll get you satisfaction. You want a body count? Pick a number.
For all my old school massive. No, Milton Keynes has got a bit of drum and bass heritage. man in the lorry. Oi, oi. Loving it. All right then, MK, that is the end of drum and bass on the bike. Thank you so much to everyone that's here. Hopefully all the speaker bikes made it through without getting damaged. Yeah, that is the end, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to all you that have come today. Definitely toppled last year's attendance, so yeah, big up yourselves. And yeah, next year I'm sure we're going to do it. Same time, same garage, yeah, same petrol station. Milton Keynes, one more time. Please make some noise. Thank you.